less than 18 and divisible by 3. So it will be its tabular form. Seventh part of the question is x such that x belongs to z, which are integers, and minus 7 less than x less than minus 1. So x are the elements which are between minus 7 and minus 1. So its tabular form will be minus 6 minus 5 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2. Remaining part of these questions are left for you for practice. Question number 3. Write the following sets in set builder form. Dear students, in set builder form, we use a specific properties of the elements. First part of the question is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dear students, these are the natural numbers, and which natural numbers which are less than 6. So its set builder form will be A equals to x such that x are the natural numbers, and which natural numbers, x less than 6. This is the set builder form of set A. Second part of the question is set of all integers. Very simple. Z equals to x such that x are the integers. Now sixth part of the question is L equals to 5, 10, 15, 20 up to so on. Dear students, these are the numbers which are multiple of 5. So its set builder form equals to L equals to x such that x is the multiple of 5. Remaining part of this question are left for you for practice. For those students who do not have books, they can note down the questions from here and practice them. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.